different departments. Okay, we have so many departments in our organization. So
Yeah.
finance team can see that procurement details, and procurement people can see that sales information. So it is a centrally component that can be distributed easily to the all the departments. So if they
Oh,
have the access and if they have authorization, they can see the any of the data in the these components through ECC SAP. Okay.
yeah.
So this is the again come to the tree tier architecture, which we discussed about that separate database layer and application layer and presentation layer. Okay.
Yeah.
So the three layers are connected to each other with network. So these are the just basic information which we required, but it is not part of the material management. Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not.
Yeah, this is the basic knowledge of that. Okay.
Yeah.
How it is started with. Okay, then as I explained about that 2011 database which is started HANA database. Okay, so
Yeah.
but actual the application level the upgrade which is happened at 2015. Okay, so
Yeah.
database different and application will be different. Okay, presentation application.
From from
As
HANA.
for as for HANA which is started at 2004 2015. Okay.
Oh,
So at
yeah.
initially 2012 also it is started, but it is a simple finance as for okay, it's not as for HANA, it is a simple finance. It is only for the finance people. Okay.
Oh,
But it started as for HANA 2015 complete launched at 2015, which are all the areas like material
all the
management,
modern. Oh,
all modules it is started. Okay. And
yeah.
we can say this is the SAP next generation business suite designed to work in truly connected to digital world. So as
Yeah.
we say that smart world. So currently the world which is going with the smart. So I can operate from the mobile. So digital world. So I can connect in the by using this S4 HANA. I can use the Fury apps. And I can operate from the mobile.
Yeah.
Okay, so S stands for it is simple. Simple and 4 represents like fourth generation. As we discussed the R1, R2, R3, this is three tier architecture, three generation, and now it is a fourth generation. Okay, so
Yeah.
S4 HANA is the fourth generation of simple business suite. Okay,
Okay.
okay. So ERP business suite can utilize artificial intelligence, machine learning, law, uh, IoT, analytics to procedure intelligent business in suite. So the whatever the advanced whatever which we have, or we can use that. Okay.
Yeah.
So come with the modern user experience in the SAP Fury. So Fury had a launchpad. Fury is not much like it's a launchpad. Fury Launchpad is the it's like we can say how we have the apps, how it is like. Here also we have the apps and every tiles we can operate. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the which one. So coming to business process level. Okay. So this is the journey which SAP. Now it is currently it is ECC also which is there. ERP ECC also it is there, and ERP S4 HANA also it is there. By till 2030, the ECC SAP will be supporting to ECC also and S4 HANA also. Later to the after 2030, they will be support only for the S4 HANA.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And coming to the general, we'll discuss generally how it will be like business. In the business, how it will be like generally, we'll discuss about that. Okay. So generally, how it will be start in the business. If I have the business, how it will be start? It will be get
Yeah.
a customer order. First, initially, I will receive the demand or I will receive the customer order from the customer. So that we will be creating as a sales order.
Mm.
Okay. So one thing you need to be understand here, as a MM consultant, we'll be dealing only procurement, purchasing related, not customer related. Okay, so we're
Yeah.
dealing only suppliers related. Okay? Supplier and vendors, supplier and vendor both are same. Okay,
Yeah.
now but you also need to be understand that other process as well because that is very important. How it is integrated to our material management.
Yeah.
Okay. So now let's coming to this point. So sales order first, initially we will get the sales order. Then once we get the sales order, we will do the planning. Okay, MRP is nothing but like a material requirement planning. So the planning will be generated. So whether we have the stock or not, whether whether we need to create any procurement proposal for this, and if you have the any production proposals we have to be create, or okay, how you need to be go ahead to dispatch this stock to the customer. Okay,
Yes.
so the material requirement planning is the automatic planning which will be help to the team to get that when I can when the proposals to generate. Okay, the time and everything will be generated. So planning will be majorly will take care by production planning team, and even sometimes MM and SD people also will have to be looking to that. Okay,
Yeah.
and then if I have the goods available, okay, after generating that MRP, what it will be look, okay, whether you have the stock or not in our location. So the customer requirement, if suppose material A, which I need 10 quantity, so material A 10 quantity, whether it is available in the my store or not, it will validated that. Okay, if I have
Yes.
that, okay, if I have what will be the system will take it up that stock. That means from the store location, it will start the packing and picking process. Okay, it
Yeah.
will start the packing and picking process. Then okay, I'll take the animal something. I will take okay, okay. Okay. So what I will do here, I'll do the picking and packing. Okay, if the stock is available, then
Yes.
I'll do the receipt of the final product. Okay. Then okay, what we'll do, we'll dispatch to the customer in case of I have the stock it is available. Okay. If the stock is not available, so what will be happen? They will be generating the plan order. Okay.
Yeah.
Then once the generated plan order is nothing for the to produce the finished product. So they will be generating the production proposals. Okay.
For sale.
Yeah. So if the production proposal it is created, then they will check that whether components are available or not. Because by final product to produce the final product, we need the components like raw material, packing material, semi-finished goods, okay, ingredients. So all these products which we require, that products it is checking the in the store. If the store have the that stock, okay, the store have that stock, what will be happen? It will distribute it to the production department, and the production department will produce the stock.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So then finally the finished product which will be selling to the customer. Okay. So the confirmation will be happen, and it will be distributed to customer. Okay. So like
Yeah.
delivery and bill of this one. Okay. If suppose okay, if suppose I don't have components, then what will be happen? Again, the components I need to be buy from the vendor.
Supply.
From the vendor. Suppliers
Yeah.
will get the raw materials, packing materials. If I don't have stock, then the system will be uh, checking, pricing the procurement proposals. Okay.
Yeah.
So then we'll write the purchase order and the goods received, and okay, then the stock, once I stock received, then I will be issuing to the production department, and the production department from they will send the goods to the store once the production is completed, and packing and picking process and billing happen. Okay,
Yeah.
so this entire process, if you understand that, okay, so what will be happen? This is one case of the scenario. Okay, there are multiple cases of the, but this is a one kind of the uh, make to order process. Okay, that means
Yeah.
based on the customer order, we are raising the proposals. Okay, so what it
Yeah.
is happen first, we got the order, sales order. That means customer requirement we received. Then the second process, planning generated, right?
Yeah.
Then, if after planning generated, if it is FG product which is available, then what will be happen? The system will packing this product and picking this product from the to store. Then it will be goods issued to the customer. Goods issued to the customer. Okay,
Yeah.
PG. Okay. then it will be like billing. Billing will be generated. In case if I don't have no FG, so what will be happen here? Okay, immediately
No,
the system will
purchase,
will write the
purchase from
planning.
vendor.
Yeah, planning proposal will be generated.
Yeah, and
That is
that's purchasing from the vendor, right?
no. This is FG, right? Finished goods. So mostly finished goods will be produced in the inside the department, right? Inside the
Yes.
production. So planning proposal will be go to production department.
Okay.
Production department. So it will be like production order.
Yeah.
So when they create a production order, they will check that okay to produce this FG, okay they need components, right? So I'll just
Yeah.
okay. So they need components, right? So they need components. So for these components again, they will check that okay whether stock is available or not. If yes,
Yeah.
if yes, components available, okay, then what it will be happen? The components will be issued to production department. The production department will prepare the production department. They will prepare the final product,
Yeah.
FP product by using um, this component, and then finally they will issue the they will complete the production. Then we will issue the FG product.
Yeah.
From production department to my store, it will be received the FG product. If
Yeah.
no components available, okay, then what will be happened? Okay, then procurement proposals will be created.
Procurement proposal. Okay.
Okay, so
Yeah.
procurement proposal is nothing but like a purchase requisition.
Okay.
Okay, so this is our area. What we're talking about, this is our area. Okay,
Purchase requisition.
yeah, purchasing is our area, and above whatever it is happened. One is if you see that this is the production related, and if you see this one, this is the sales related.
Yeah.
Okay, so planning proposal when it is created, that is planned order. Okay, and if it is created procurement proposal, that is a purchase requisition.
Okay.
So then purchase requisition created, and then purchase order created. Then we receive the stock from the vendor. Okay, then invoice cleared. Okay,
Yeah.
then once we receive the stock, once we receive the stock, once component available, then again the same process which will be like above goods issue to production department and prepare the FG product and goods issue the FG product. Okay,
Yeah.
then FG is completed, then again it will be start like the above packing and goods issue to cost center and billing. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you see that this is the one this is the one case.
Yeah.
This is a one case, okay. And if you see that this is a one case, okay. So once stock is available, stock is not available. Two cases like, okay.
Yeah.
So then, if the stock is available, then we can easily distribute immediately. So based on that only, so based on this process only, so the customer customer order confirmation will be happen.
Yeah.
So customer order confirmation is nothing but like a so we can deliver the goods to you. Okay, when you can
Yeah.
deliver the goods, if I have the stock, if I have the stock, I can do within that 3 to 4 days. If I don't have stock, then I have to be get the stock and I have to be produce the stock. Then all these things will be happen. Then it will be take 15-20 days time.
Yeah.
Okay. So then again the system will check that all these aspects like okay maybe this is one 3 days. Let's assume that the shipment process and packing, picking everything it will be take 3 days. And if I just counted that, okay, production will be like let's assume that production it is taking that 4 days. Okay.
Yeah.
Then again procurement proposals like which is like PR, PO, GR, it is taking again 5 days. Okay. So altogether, the system will check that if the stock is available or not, all the components it will be checked. It will check that and it will be confirmed that okay, the final confirmation date. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the uh, general process. Okay. This
Yeah.
is the common process. Now, let's try to understand in a different way. Okay, we have different cases also. Okay.
Yeah.
So the above process we can say simply make to order. Make to order is nothing but okay, based on the okay, we can say both make to order and okay. What is the meaning of make to order? Make to
Finish
order
goods.
is if the product if you are producing for only customer requirements. Okay, so if suppose my requirement is like my customer is asking that some customization bicycle or scooty or something like car. Okay, so my requirement like sports car. Let's assume that sports car. Okay,
Yeah.
so generally what will be happen? There is already predefined configuration for this sports car,
Yeah.
but my customer is requested that I don't want to go with this default predefined design. I need in the different customized way.
Yeah.
Okay, so that means might be topless or maybe increasing the seat size or it may be increasing the bottom. Okay, so
Yeah.
there's some requirement there. So when especially the customer they requested and that we are producing, okay, that we call make to order.
Okay. For the customer.
Customer requirement make to order. Okay,
Yeah.
means customer requirement we are preparing that. Okay.
Yeah.
And there will be a make to stock. Okay, so what do you mean by make to stock? The stock whatever we are getting stock. Okay, the stock whatever we producing the stock where whatever the stock we are procuring the stock from the vendor, all the stock is only for the storage purpose.
Yeah.
For future requirements, I'm just maintaining the my stock.
Yeah.
So there is currently there is no customer requirements. There is no specific requirement for me. Okay, there is no customer requirement, but I'm just preparing the stock for my future. Okay, it
Yeah.
might be the ice creams or it might be bread or something which is like we will not get immediately the requirement. Maybe so this is the or we are just maintaining the our future selling purpose or future requirement purpose. Okay,
Yeah.
so in that case, that is the make to stock. So in that case, if it is raising the proposals, planning proposals or procurement proposals, that we call make to stock.
Yeah.
Okay, so there is two cases that. Okay,
Yeah.
so how make to stock will work? So make to order, you understand, right? Make to order, how it will
Yeah.
work based on the customer requirement. Again, the process will be the same, right?
Yeah.
So in this case, if we make to order, then this will not be happen because this will be happen only at the end because you need to be produce the product, right?
Yeah.
So because customer requirement. But coming to make to stock, so what will be happen? Make to stock. Okay. So there is a levels, reorder point levels.
Yeah.
Okay. So the reorder point levels is nothing but like okay. So as per my last few stock values might be what I can do. I can just define that one level. Okay. So one level is nothing but this is the my safe safety levels. Okay.
Yeah.
So the material A, I'm expecting that 1,000 pieces is the my reorder point level. So that
Yeah.
means at least I should be have this stock. At least I'm always checking that this stock should be available in my
Yeah.
store location. Okay, if the stocks fall down on this border, like if it is coming to 990, then immediately what I'll do. Okay, so there is a stock which is gone to the levels. So I will what I can do. I can raise the immediately proposals. Okay, for 10 pieces or it maybe depends on that. Okay,
Yeah.
depends on the settings. So we can go with 10 pieces or maybe some fixed order quantity. Okay, it depends. Okay,
Yeah.
But the concept here is when the stock falling down, okay, on this level, okay, then the system will be raising the proposals.
Yeah.
Okay, so because this is the my regular stock levels which we have maintained. Okay, so
Yeah.
might be today entire consumption, okay, today entire consumption, which will be like currently I have the stock 1,000 pieces. Okay, so today maybe my consumption is like 250. Okay, then the available stock is which is like 750, right?
Yeah.
So then has immediately what the system will be proposing to, okay, proposal will
Yeah.
rise to but 250 pieces.
Okay.
Because as per my calculation, thousands is the my safety stock, my levels, right? 1,000 pieces is my
Yeah.
level. Okay. But here, if you see that I have already consumed. Already consumed means I already utilized the stock. So I have only 750. So then immediately I can write the 250.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that will be the so when the stock falling down, that will be the immediately system will be proposed, will rise and they will be immediately refilling the stock. Okay.
Yeah.
Replacement of the stock. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the one proposal. So make to order and make to stock is the two proposals here. Make to order and make to stock is the two proposals. Okay.
Yeah.
Clear? So most
Yeah.
probably based on this only the business process will be running mostly. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So now let's go to try to understand the, so any questions here generally?
Yeah.
Okay.
This
If you see that here I have divided like, okay, different okay, which is like
one color.
material management, whatever there is a red color. Okay, that means wherever the color which is changed, that is the material management. And if it is see that this is the sales related, and this is the finance related. Okay, and this is the production planning related.
Yeah.
Okay, so like this one. Okay,
Yeah. I see.
yeah. Now, so this is like which we are planning like okay, theoretical. Okay, initially I will be go with the theoretical first for 5 to 10 days. Okay, so I'll
Yeah.
be going with the theoretical. Once you understand that all the business process and all concepts, everything, then we'll be go to practical.
Yeah.
Okay, then there might be some developments and migrations which is important to in the real time. So as a functional consultant, what we need to understand from the development point of view and what need to be do in the migration point of view. Okay, that we
Yeah.
will discuss. Okay, and we'll conduct some mock interviews. Okay,
Okay.
so this is the journey. It will be like 45 days to 60 days.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is journey. Okay, and coming to the so this is proposal start. Okay. Now let's understand the material management. Okay. So before going to material management, so this is our introduction. Okay. Now before going to introduction, okay, introduction of material management, we need
Yeah.
to understand that we how many modules which we have. So we have so many modules are there, so many areas are there. Okay, in the SAP MM, SAP SD, SAP PP, SAP QM, SAP FICO, like we have. Okay, so
Yeah.
let's try to understand that what functionality which will be it is related to which areas. Okay, so finance. So finance, you already knows that this is what are account receivables and account payables, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so what will be happen this account receivables and account payables? Okay, so when you want to be paid the amount to the vendor, when you want to be receive the payment from the customers, okay, and
Yeah.
for the background of that order, okay, so because they have to be explained that okay why you're paying also, right? You also aware
Yeah.
about that why they are paying or why they are requesting this order. So account receivables, account payables is the major concept in the finance level. Okay,
Yeah.
so there is a separate module which is like SAP FI. Okay,
Okay.
okay,
And
and
accounts. Okay.
also finance. This is a SAP finance. Okay.
Yeah.
And coming to SAP CO, controlling. Okay, so controlling is like it's kind of that estimation, cost estimation. Okay, if you see that majorly it is like a cost estimation. If suppose I'm producing the one product, okay, so this
Yeah.
customer, this producing this product, how much you spent? So you are spent on the components, you spent on the amount on components, okay, and you spent on the labor.
Does this also include accounts payable of what does the CEO, the controlling
It is separate
does
module, separate area.
okay. Okay.
Okay, it's not MM. I'm just explaining that what are the areas we have generally. Okay,
Okay.
because tomorrow if you're starting working on that, so you mostly interact with these people also, because when their finance people they are ready to pay the amount to the vendor account payable, what will be happen? Okay, they will ask to you that okay, what is the PO number, what is the PO value, and what is the GR value, what is the invoice value. So you also need to be understand that what functionalities finance will do.
Yeah.
Okay, that is what. So
Yeah.
so controlling will take care about cost estimation majorly, and what it will be like spent on the components, labor cost, and okay, power cost, okay, and miscellaneous cost, okay, and
Yeah.
okay, like power, everything will be. So all it will be include that. Okay, so the cost estimation for the FG product to produce this FG product. Okay, so what you spent on the amount, what amount you spent on the this FG product to produce this product. Okay, so that they
Yeah.
will include. Then only they will calculate that final standard cost, standard price of this one. Okay, so if suppose they spend $10, $10, like, then they will be finally okay around this $40 we spend. So profit I'm just like 20%, 30% margin of the profit. Then finally the standard price will be something like 100 rupees,
Yeah.
$100. Okay, so like so the controlling SAP controlling team. This is the SAP controlling. Okay, CO
Yeah.
consultant. So sometimes what will happen, we have SAP FI CO consultant. They can do FI and CO as well.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the finance and controlling areas. Okay. Technical
Okay.
accounting level.
Yeah.
Now coming to SAP SD. SAP SD is the sales and distribution.
Okay.
So sales and distribution is nothing but like okay, they will handle the customers. Okay, and they will get the customer orders. That means sales order. Okay, and
Yeah.
they will do on the billing, okay, and
Yeah.
goods issue, okay,
Yeah.
PG packing, PGA goods issue to customer, okay, and
Yeah.
so these are the activities from the customer related all the process he will take care about it.
Yeah.
So we
What
can
is
say, sorry,
what is PGI?
PGA is a post goods issue.
Post good issue. Okay.
So it is most it is, that means maybe transportation will be the point. Shipment is the one of the point. Okay, so how mode of transport is the one of the points.
Oh,
So these all will be commented that, right?
like that, like freight, air,
Yeah, correct,
ship.
exactly. Yeah.
Oh,
Okay, so both it will be shape. Okay, and
yeah.
okay, so both majorly they will be take care about the customer related. So you can say OTC. OTC is the one of the concept from the ST point of view. Order to cash.
Order to cash. Okay.
Okay, so
Yeah.
how it will start this process like they will get a sales order. Okay, then they will create a delivery. Okay, and they will do the goods issue to customer. Then they will do the billing and they will receive the cash from the customer.
The bill. Yeah.
Yes, okay, so this is the order to cash. So this is the
Yeah.
concept. This is one general concept of the SAP SD. Okay. So
Yeah.
again, in the inside the if you go to inside again, there will be multiple cases also. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the ST team, SAP ST team. Okay. Now coming to SAP PP.
Yeah.
SAP PP means production planning team.
Yeah.
Okay. So production planning team, what they will do? So whatever they get the planning proposals, okay,
Yeah.
based on the planning proposals, okay, what they will do?
They
From a planning
plan.
proposal, so they
Yeah.
will create a production order or product process order. Okay, so there will be like two cases: production order or process order.
Yeah.
Okay, so production is nothing but like manufacturing, and process like it's a if suppose you are converting from one product to another product, like if you're manufacturing ghee, if you're producing the ghee, okay, so you're processing like with chemicals or you are with burning of the product, so you're processing that. Okay, so
Yeah.
manufacturing like it's like a assemble of a product that will become under a production order. Okay,
Yeah.
so production order and process orders, okay, they will create and they will be produce the product. Okay, production
Yeah.
will start and they will be produce the product. Okay, then they will be sending these goods to our store.
Yeah.
Okay, store or it may be customer requirement or it may be. So this is the one production planning. So majorly production planning will be take care about the manufacturing of the product. Okay. So for,
Yeah.
again in the manufacturing product where they have to be manufactured. Okay, and how many different cases are there manufacturing the assemble and okay, what are the resources they have to be used. Okay, how much hour they have to be do that work scheduling, everything will be taken by production planning.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a separate consultant. Okay,
Yeah.
now QM, quality management. Quality management. So SAP quality management, what they will do?
They control the quality of the products.
Yeah, correct. Quality inspection will take taken care. Okay,
Yeah.
they'll take care about the quality inspection. What when it is generally which is required when we are receiving from the goods. Okay, from vendor, we are receiving the components, raw materials, packing materials. Okay, might be this
Yeah.
case we required when producing the uh, product, producing the FG product or semi-finished product, whatever maybe. So when the producing product, they have to be checked that the quality of the product, whether it is based on the standard or not. Okay, the quality of the product, everything they have to check, right?
Yeah.
And before customer dispatching goods. Okay. So dispatching
Yeah.
the goods to the customer. So in that case again, they will check that quality inspection, right?
Yeah.
So there are too many cases like okay, everywhere the quality is the one of the aspect. So that will take care by quality management team, QM team.
Yeah.
Okay, quality management module team will take care. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So again, if you deeply talking about this one, okay, usage decision will take care. Okay, what is the usage decision, whether you need to be accept this product or reject a product, okay, or block the product and scrap the product. Okay, that will take
Yeah.
care by quality management team. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, and again, what parameters they have to be validated. Okay, like if suppose I have the steel rod. Okay, so steel rod which I'm using for the fitting of the bicycle. Okay,
Yeah.
so what may happen if it should be like 2 mm inch, like if it is like 2 mm inch, okay, but what
Yeah.
will happen, I got 3 mm inch, then it is not suitable. So the parameters also I need to be checked that okay, whether I got what actually I ordered.
Yeah.
Okay, so that parameters also should be matched. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so again, the different variants like color, size. Okay, if I have the garments company, so what I can do, I will check the garment roll, whatever which I received from the vendor. Okay, if I just received uh, any cloth or anything which is coming bundle rolls. Okay, again I need to check that what color we ordered and what color we received. So that is
Yeah.
also very important. Okay, so that everything will be taken by quality management team. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Then SAP PM, plant maintenance people. So plant maintenance team is nothing but like you already know, right? Maintaining the uh, plant
Yeah.
equipments. We have so many equipments are there, so many machineries are there, so many articles we have. So we are maintaining that. Okay,
Yeah.
we are checking regularly checking on that. If suppose I'm have the machinery which producing that, which
Yeah.
machinery producing that butter. Let's assume that butter or cheese. Okay.
Yeah.
So what will be happen every 10 hours I have to be clean. I have to be clean by using some chemicals, the machinery.
Yeah.
Okay. If I'm continuously using without cleaning that, so there might be it will be damaged. And every 15 hours or every 10 hours, I have to give some gap and I should not use for 1 hour or 2 hours. And I just need to check that whether uh, all parameters which is matching, like it is like do you did that cleaning, do you did that grazing or everything. So that maintenance will come under the plant maintenance.
Yeah.
Okay, so that again plant maintenance people will take care.
Yeah.
Okay, and SAP PS project system. Okay,
Yes.
if your company or something, your client, if they want to be go, especially all projects like different kind of a project they're handling. Suppose let's say construction building is there, so they have the multiple constructions buildings are there. So they have the SR constructions, KR constructions, like they have the different constructions are there. They are started to build the buildings. Okay, so
Yeah.
when they started construction, they have some budget. So that budget again they will be created as a project, and the project cost, if suppose it's a project cost is uh, 200 crores dollars. Okay, then
Yeah.
that will be again distributed to different activities. Right. So if I have the 200 crores, I cannot spend that to only one activity, right? So they have the multiple activities like uh, it's like how it is like pillars, okay, and first floor, second floor, third floor, okay, cleaning. There are so many activities will be part of the construction, right?
Yeah.
So each activity they will be distributed. So that activity they will call as a WBS. They will be dividing like work breakdown system.
Okay.
So, so each project have the multiple work breakdown systems WBS, and they will divide it. Right? Okay, let's assume that WBS one. Okay, so this is
Yeah.
for the pillars. Okay, and WBS two. Okay, they will be like first floor. Okay,
Yeah.
and so WBS three. Okay, so they will be like it's a second floor. Okay, so like they will be planning that. Okay, if suppose it is pillar, it is like 50 crores they are spending. Okay, or
Yeah.
okay, and if there's first floor, they're planning for 100 crores. Okay,
Yeah.
and second floor, it will be like we have only budget like 50 crores.
Yeah.
Okay, so they will spend that. But whatever the procurement proposals or any proposals which we received from this WBS, okay, it will be reduced. That it will be checked that okay, as of now, how much you spent on the this WBS.
Yeah.
Okay, if I have the multiple proposals, again multiple times it will check that okay, how much you spent as of now.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the so it is like a simply says that budgeting control. Okay,
Yeah.
so that will take care by project system team, SAP project system team. Okay, so
Mm.
like there are so many modules we have around 100 modules we have in the SAP. Okay, so
Yeah.
media management is the one of the area. Okay, so management is the one of the area which will be handling that, okay,
Yeah.
purchasing, of the products. Okay, then inventory management, that means after we receiving the stock, okay, what how you controlling that. Okay, you got multiple orders, then you are distributing to multiple orders and first in first out. How you are planning that? Okay, because there is a customer he ordered 1 week back, and there is a customer he ordered some other customer he ordered yesterday. So you cannot
Yeah.
distribute to yesterday customer, right? You have to be planned first in first out, like, right? Who first come first out, right? So that you
Yeah.
have to, so the how you are controlling that. Okay, and invoice verification. So once we received our stock from the vendor, okay, before paying to the vendor, you also need to be checked that how much, what was the invoice we received. Okay, if suppose I order something which is like 10 pieces, but I received invoice for the 15 pieces, then it is not acceptable.
Yeah.
So because I also need to be validated, so that will be happen in the invoice verification. The same way like prices. So going forward, we'll be majorly concentrating on these three areas.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
The
then
invoice. Yeah. And an invoice verification is just verifying the payment, right?
yeah, verifying the invoice.
Invoice. Okay.
Payment is different again. Okay, you once you verified and accepted, then only it will go to the payment. Payment will be
Oh.
done by finance team.
Okay. Yeah.
Verify the uh, goods receipt and PO, then with your invoice. That means
Okay.
invoice means vendor invoice.
Yeah.
With invoice. Okay, your invoice means it is a vendor invoice.
Yeah.
Whatever we receive, because let's example. Okay, you order some product. Okay,
Yeah.
Walmart. You order something which is from the Walmart store. Just Walmart store. You order something. Okay, let's assume that iPhone, which I ordered 14. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, I how many pieces you order? Something which like two pieces order, and also you bought something like a lifetime warranty, okay, or
Yeah.
something which is a 1 year warranty or lifetime warranty which you bought. Then I received goods receipt. So in the goods receipt, if I see that I received only the quantity of two pieces of iPhone,
Yeah.
okay, two iPhones. So then invoice verification when I'm doing, okay. So I need to be check that invoice. Okay. So I received invoice like let's assume that here the cost will be okay. Two $50. Let's assume that $250 of each product.
Yeah.
Okay. So $250 which each product. Okay. Then when you're raising the invoice, if I get that $300, the the billing which I received for $300. That
Yeah.
means the invoice which I received from the this Walmart store, which is $300. So again,
Yeah.
you have to be verified that okay, I cannot simply pay that. If it is now it is 300, tomorrow if they're coming with $500, then I cannot pay, right? So they
Yeah.
have to be validated why it is $300. That so you need to be checked that and okay. So you here maybe they're saying that okay, $250 is for the iPhone 14 and to lifetime warranty extension that will be $50. So
Yeah.
that's 300. So you need to be validate all these things also. Okay. So that will be come under the investment.
Okay.
Okay, then I think we will continue tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah.
Just, just to note down that what are the areas we'll discuss tomorrow onwards. So material management, the actual
Okay.
material management. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay then.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Thank you. Thank you for teaching me today.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.